Hello everyone, Ellarigu Namaskara. This is Sophia from Rankbook Learning and Software Solutions. In the previous video, I have covered a concept called as analogy, and in this section, in this video, we will be covering about computer awareness. So as you guys know, computer awareness carries how many marks? Give me a second. Alright, so computer awareness carries almost like so it carries 15 to 20 marks. Alright, so in the video I will be covering one concept which is called as internet, which is here. Alright, so in internet it is a very small topic, ma'am. Idralli namige questions barutta, prati sala questions kelidara anta heldaga, yes, internet inda 2 to 3 marks mandatory barutte. Alright, so in this video we'll be covering the previous year's question papers as well as the theoretical concept as well as one question for you guys to solve in the comment section. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, so when I tell something about internet alva, so my question now is internet andreno and internet ellinda barutte. Okay, so now ivaga if I take the real time analogy anta helidaga nammellar maneyallu electricity baruttalla. Electricity ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು, ಬಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. But have you ever thought that where is internet coming from? What is internet? From where is the actual source or where is the actual hub anta? No, right? So if you think that understanding the electricity grid itself is like tumba complicated anta helidaga, internet artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು like it is completely impossible anta tilkondre, no, you're completely wrong. So in next 2 minutes you will be among like the top 10% of the people who knows where does internet come from and how does internet work. Okay na, so let's get ahead. Whenever most people think of internet alva, this is what comes to your mind, right? Okay, so this is what comes to your mind, which is like a bubble of cloud. So nim prakara ನಾವು cloud computing ಎರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ, cloud computing age ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. So internet ಸಹ cloud ಇಂದನೇ ಬರ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ, like it is a misconception among lot of the youngsters alva, but this is completely wrong. So where are we getting the internet from? Internet namige siktirodu from the wires. Alright, we are getting the internet from the wires which is buried deep inside the grounds and oceans. Okay na, so if you want more reference about this specific topic, you can visit the website called as Submarines Cable Map. Submarines Cable map.com. Okay, so you will get ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Alright, as I said, internet is not coming from the cloud, but it is from the wire. That wire can be fiber optics, copper cables, but internet is simply a wire. Alright, so let's move ahead. Ivaga what I'll do is, through this wire we'll connect two computers. Aita, so through this wire we'll connect two computers. So iವಾಗ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, this is the computer which ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋ computer textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ, but why is like she drawing the computer something like this? Alright, so this is the internet is useful because two computers are connected. Alright, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, it is nothing but a special computer. Okay, it is a special computer which is called as a server. Alright, so I am talking about a special computer called as a server. Alright, so ivaga illi one server ide. So just like this we have n number of servers alva, we have n number of servers across the world alva. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸರ್ವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ alva. So every server will have its own unique identity, and that unique identity is nothing but the IP address. Alright, so IP address, IP address now as a human brain, according to the human tendency, we cannot remember the numbers. Alva? Even now, if we open a contact, we never type like anybody's numbers. Alva? So we usually type their names. Just like that, we cannot remember the IP addresses, but we can remember the names. We as humans can remember the names. So our ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು google.com, facebook.com. So ಈ ತರ domain names ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And who's doing that job? DNS is doing that job. All right. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು the computer which we are using at home, like is that a server? So ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು like the computer which you and I which are using every day, is that a server? No, that is not a server. We are called as clients. All right, we are called as clients. Aita. So computers you and I which we are using every day are called as clients. We are indirectly connected to the internet. Just a second. We are indirectly connected to the internet through whom? Through ISPs, that is the internet service providers. Okay, and they are the people or they are the group who's giving us the internet, that is ISP. But ISP andre yaro, nama Airtel agirbodu, nama Jio, nama Vodafone, all of these comes under ISP, and they are giving us internet from the actual source through an indirect connection. Okay, so I hope I have given like a brief introduction about what is internet. All right, so let's move to the next. So ivaga internet anta questions bandaga, what are the easy tips and tricks to solve internet questions very quickly? So ನಾನು explain ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು, I used too many like alphabets ಅಲ್ವಾ, like DNS ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ISP ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, and www ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So even these abbreviations are asked in your PGCET previous year's question papers, and for that purpose you should remember the full forms and basics of it. All right, next ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯೋರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and where does internet come from ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಥಿಯೋರಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸಹ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ನಾನು ಅನಾಲಜಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ವೈಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. Obviously, you have to practice more set of questions regularly for you to gain the grip and the hold. Let's move to our very first question. As I said, ನಿಮಗೆ internet part in the computer awareness vertical ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 to 3 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so the first question is 2016 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, and ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 2 ಸಲ ಸಹ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So usually this specific question is repeated like thrice. What is the full form of HTTPS? HTTP ಅಂದ್ರೆ Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and usually ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು not secure ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, and also it will not have this lock symbol if you observe the URL. Then what is HTTPS? HTTPS is nothing but Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Aita? So which will have a lock symbol which shows that this specific URL is safe. So what is the answer? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. We'll move to the next question. What is the primary purpose of the internet? Let's use the elimination method. To watch the videos, are we using internet just to watch the videos? No. Are we using internet just to play video games? No. Just to send emails? No. Then it is like connecting networks globally. If you see the actual Wikipedia definition of internet, internet is nothing but it is a network of networks which is connecting multiple devices globally, and it is an interconnection. All right, so connecting networks globally. So ivaga ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು elimination method. So and this is how it helps you. What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? As I previously said in the very first question, HTTP is not secure, whereas HTTPS is a secure one. So answer is very obvious. We need not go for the elimination method. HTTPS is more secure. Alright? Okay, this question is repeated. What is a browser? What is a browser? It is an email service? No. Is it a search engine? No, we have a difference between a search engine and a browser. Is it a computer virus? Not at all. It is nothing but a software application for accessing the web. Browser is nothing but it is a software application for accessing the web. Next, what does www stands for? It is World Wide Web. See, there are simple agi questions irutte. Soon as you see the options, that is when you get confused. Aita? So you have to have a stronger grip on the abbreviations. All right. So www stands for World Wide Web. Name one common email protocol. So what do we mean by protocol? Protocol andreno? Protocol is nothing but rules. Aita? So a network alli devices ಒಬ್ರು ಜೊತೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that should follow specific protocols. Example HTTP ಇರ್ಬೋದು, SMTP ಇರ್ಬೋದು, TCP ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇವರು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಬ್ರಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಅಬ್ರಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. DNS is nothing but domain name system. No, this can't be the answer. HTTP is the hypertext transfer protocol, which is not used for emailing. Again, FTP is a file transfer protocol which is used to send large files. SMTP is nothing but simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, which is obviously used to send emails across. So this is the answer. So ನಿಮಗೆ abbreviations ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು questions easily ಆಗಿ solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What does ISP stands for? As I said, the computers which you and I are using every day, we are getting indirect source of internet through a source called as ISPs. ISPs are nothing but internet service provider. All right, internet service provider. Okay. Now, if you remember very well, I want you guys to comment down the internet service providers which you and I are using every day. If you have understood the concept of ISPs, please feel free to comment down the ISPs which you and I are using every day. All right. So these are the basic questions, a few questions. So idralli nanu ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಸಹ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ PGCET 2025. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ join our offline classes as well. Batches already start agide. So yes, that's it for today. See you guys in the next video. Have a good